Welcome to this video. In this video, we are going to teach some home remedies for cough and cold. Lemon and honey are both natural ingredients known for their potential benefits in relieving cough and cold symptoms. Here are 10 home remedies that incorporate lemon and honey to help alleviate cough and cold discomfort. Honey lemon tea. Brew a cup of hot water and add the juice of half a lemon and a tablespoon of honey. Stir well and sip slowly. The warmth of the tea can soothe your throat, while the honey and lemon provide antibacterial and soothing properties. Lemon and honey cough syrup. Mix equal parts of lemon juice and honey in a small jar. Take 1 teaspoon of this syrup as needed to suppress coughing. Both honey and lemon have natural cough-suppressant qualities. Lemon and honey steam inhalation. Boil a pot of water, then transfer it to a large bowl. Add a few drops of fresh lemon juice and a tablespoon of honey. Lean over the bowl, cover your head with a towel, and inhale the steam slowly. This can help relieve congestion and open up your airways. Honey lemon ginger shot. Blend a thumb-sized piece of fresh ginger with the juice of 1 lemon and a tablespoon of honey. Strain the mixture and take 1 tablespoon every morning. Ginger has anti-inflammatory properties, which can help reduce cold symptoms. Lemon and honey gargle. Mix the juice of half a lemon with a tablespoon of honey in warm water. Gargle this mixture several times a day to soothe a sore throat and reduce inflammation. Lemon and honey immune booster. Combine lemon juice, honey, and a pinch of turmeric in warm water. Drink this concoction daily to boost your immune system and reduce the duration of your cold. Lemon and honey chest rub. Create a natural chest rub by mixing lemon juice with honey and coconut oil or olive oil. Gently massage this mixture onto your chest before bedtime to ease congestion and aid in better sleep. Honey lemon lozenges. Mix honey and lemon juice with a small amount of powdered sugar to form a thick paste. Drop small spoonfuls onto a baking sheet and let them cool until hardened. These homemade lozenges can provide relief for a sore throat. Lemon and honey hot water compress. Soak a washcloth in hot water mixed with lemon juice and honey. Wring out the excess water and apply the warm compress to your forehead and sinuses for relief from sinus pressure and headaches. Lemon and honey herbal infusion. Make an herbal infusion by steeping your favorite herbal tea bag in hot water. Add a teaspoon of honey and lemon juice to the tea. This not only enhances the flavor but also adds the benefits of lemon and honey to the herbal properties. Thank you for watching. And please hit the subscribe button. If this video helps you, don't forget to like it and share it with your friends.